Hello friends, in this video I will show how to fix File Explorer crashing or freezing after click on Home tab in Windows 11. So to resolve this problem, open File Explorer. Now click on these three dots, Options. Now here unselect these two setting, show frequently used folders. So unselect show files from office.com. So unselect, then clear. Then click on apply and click on OK. Now exit and open CMD. Right click on it and run as administrator. Now type this command line net sh winsock reset, then press enter. Now you need to restart your system. So hopefully guys, using this method you can fix and resolve File Explorer problem. Thanks for watching. Comment this method worked for you.